Hey everyone, welcome. So, you know how much I love a good book, right? I mean, who doesn't love curling up with a glass of wine? Or maybe a green smoothie, if we're being healthy, and getting lost in another world. But seriously, some books, they don't just entertain you, they totally rock your world. And today, I'm sharing the books that basically hit the reset button on my life. We're talking major transformations, people. Let's dive in and have some fun. First up, we've got The 5 a.m. Club by Robin Sharma. Now, before you roll your eyes and click away, hear me out. I know 5 a.m. sounds insane. I thought so too. But trust me, this book is so much more than just waking up early. It has changed my view on how to prioritize myself and my needs the first thing I do. This book is about owning your morning, setting intentions, and starting your day with purpose. And let me tell you, it's been a game changer. No more hitting snooze a million times. Next up is The 4-Hour Body by the one and only Tim Ferriss. This guy is my idol. Seriously, I want to be Tim Ferriss when I grow up. This book is basically my fitness Bible. Tim breaks down fitness and nutrition in a way that's actually doable. Like, who knew you could get amazing results with just 4 hours of exercise a week? He's all about efficiency. And let's be real, we could all use a little more of that in our lives. I'm telling you, this book will make you rethink everything you thought you knew about getting in shape. Okay, get ready for another dose of Tim Ferriss because The 4-Hour Workweek is next on the list. This book is all about escaping the 9-to-5 grind and designing a life you love. Tim gives you the tools and strategies to work smarter, not harder, and create more freedom in your life. I mean, who doesn't dream of traveling the world and working from their laptop? This book is like a blueprint for making that dream a reality. Now let's talk about Revenge Body by Khloe Kardashian. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Really? A Kardashian book? But hear me out. Khloe's journey to fitness is seriously inspiring. She turned her pain into power and her body transformation is insane. Plus, this book is about so much more than just looks. It's about self-love, confidence, and proving everyone wrong. Who doesn't love a good revenge story? Am I right? Next up, we're diving into something a little different. I Met Jesus, Confessions from a Reluctant Believer by Charlotte Ruth. This book is a wild ride, people. It's funny, it's thought-provoking, and it really makes you question everything. Even if you're not a spiritual person, I think you'll find this book fascinating. It's about one woman's unexpected journey of faith, and it's definitely given me a lot to think about. Last but definitely not least is Time to Get Skinny by Katrin Zytomierska. This book is a Swedish gem that was recently discovered and it is truly captivating. It's all about getting your mind and body in shape. And Katrin's no-nonsense approach is seriously refreshing. She's like that tough love best friend who tells you what you need to hear even when you don't want to hear it. Trust me, this book will light a fire under your butt. And there you have it. Those are the books that have totally rocked my world and helped me become the best version of myself. I hope they inspire you to make some positive changes in your life too. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content and let me know in the comments which book you're most excited to read. Until next time, happy reading.